How to transfer ETH or Ethereum from Coinbase to Metamask. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to transfer ETH or Ethereum from Coinbase to Metamask. In order to begin with this procedure, make sure that you're connected to an internet service and you also have a wallet address. So in order to begin with the procedure, first thing first, open up your Coinbase and make sure that you're already logged into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. Here, click My Asset from the bottom. And after that, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the send button. So once you do that, you'll need to go ahead and select the asset. So in my case, I don't seem to have an asset, so click on buy crypto. It's gonna here you'll need to select ETH or Ethereum. Once you select Ethereum, just tap on it, and next page is going to ask you to verify info if you've not, and if you've already verified, then you'll be taken to the procedure where you have to enter in the amount of Ethereum or ETH that you're transferring to Metamask. So once you've done that, you also need to make sure that you have enough funds, and after that you will be asked to provide in the wallet address of Metamask. In order to copy the wallet address, you need to exit out of your Coinbase and open up your Metamask account. So once you're logged into your Metamask, it's going to take you to the home page. So basically here, once you're directed to the home page of Metamask, here click the upward arrow icon or the upside down arrow icon located right at the bottom. Once you do that, here you'll need to go ahead and select receive. So once you tap on receive, all you have to do is just copy the QR code right over here and select ETH. Make sure to select ETH and copy this, or you just need to copy the wallet address, or you can also simply go ahead and download the QR code. After that, you need to exit out of your Metamask account, and here you'll need to paste in the wallet address and then confirm your payment or the transaction, and after that you'll be receiving a statement within no time that you've successfully transferred ETH from Coinbase to Metamask. So in this way you can transfer ETH from Coinbase to Metamask. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.